After you buy your domain, you'll have to transfer it over to your hosting site, and I use GoDaddy for my domains and A2 hosting for the hosting the website. And so I just type in name servers plus your host, and so I type in name servers, A2 hosting, and from here. This is an article. You can also contact the host themselves and find out what it is. So I just Googled it in this case. If it's easy to Google, which is not particularly easy in this one, but they should look like ns1 dot your host name and ns2 dot your host name or something like that. NS stands for name servers. So then after that, you go to your domain manager in GoDaddy, and then you pick your domain. So I'm just going to have a few domains. So I'm just going to search domains here and type in your domain, search, and then um, from here you go to the site, click on the link there, and then it'll come up with some options here. This is where it gets kind of a little bit tricky, but scroll down. It's not real obvious there, but then go to Manage DNS. And that stands for domain name servers, and it should prompt you from the one you copied and pasted earlier. You're going to change the default name servers, and be sure and copy and paste it from where you had it before. So you enter your own name servers, and then I pasted ns1.a2 hosting, and then change that to ns2.a2hosting.com, and then save. And then you have to check the consent box there, and then continue. And then at this point, you'll get it should give you some kind of confirmation, and it says that features will be unavailable. So it's not all the way over yet. It takes a minute to propagate over. It can take up to like an hour or two to propagate over. So you can check back later to make sure that it did. Okay, and then when it says we can't display your DNS information because our name servers aren't managed by us, that means that it has been propagated, but it may not be ready on your hosting site. So you may want to wait an hour or two before you go there and check and make sure it did get propagated over. Like us and subscribe on YouTube, and visit our site, dropshopsite.com. Thanks.